Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal has made a big charge at the election body. Kejriwal is alleging that names of Aam Aadmi Party voters are being deleted. This is ahead of Delhi elections a few months away. Arvind Kejriwal says Bharatiya Janata Party is removing our voters or our supporters basically who are confirmed from the Election Commission rolls. BJP is trying to remove maximum voters from the rolls, and that means Election Commission's credibility is at stake. Amit Bhardwaj joins us for the latest on that. Amit, what is the reason or the evidence behind the claim that Arvind Kejriwal is making to say that AAP supporters and voters' names are being removed?
In this particular case, Pooja, Aam Aadmi Party has come up with evidence, so to say. They have shared documents. One of the documents is basically the probable deletion list or the applications for deletion which have been submitted to the Election Commission of India, and this includes 11,000 voters' names from Shahadra Assembly constituency of the national capital. Now, Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that if you look at these numbers, it constitutes 6% of the total votes in that particular constituency. And last time around, the AAP had won by a margin of 5,000 votes. So this is a big number that applications have been submitted for deletion of these names. Number one. Number two, they are also showing documents of BJP, a letterhead saying that there is one Vishal Bharadwaj who had put applications for deletion of these names. Number three, they have shared the document of election body acting upon these applications, saying that these names need to be checked. And they have also, the Aam Aadmi Party is claiming that they have done a random sample of 500 out of this list, out of which 372 were found to be true voters. True voters as in they are presently living on that particular address and they are alive as well. And not only this, Pooja, Arvind Kejriwal in fact introduced many of these voters whose names have been put on the deletion list. Now Arvind Kejriwal is saying that on the website there are only 400, near about 400 names which have been put up for deletion, while 11,000 applications have been submitted after October 18. So why this deletion activity is being done at this large scale right ahead of the elections? That is a big question being posed by AAP chief. And he's also claiming that many of these voters, majority of these voters rather, are from the lower economic strata. They are majorly Aam Aadmi Party voters or sympathizers, and hence they are being identified and their names are being cut. And he's claiming that in the days to come he'll be making similar revelations in regards to other constituencies.
So then, stay on with me, Amit. Yes. Stay on with me. Listening to Aam Aadmi Party's convener Arvind Kejriwal, what is he really saying about deletion of AAP voters from the list?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली में बड़े स्तर के ऊपर वोट कटवाने के लिए इलेक्शन कमीशन में एप्लीकेशन दायर कर रही है और इलेक्शन कमीशन में चोरी छिपे इन एप्लीकेशंस के ऊपर कार्रवाई चल रही है। आज मैं आपको एक ही विधानसभा का डेटा दिखाऊंगा और आने वाले दिनों में हम एक एक करके और भी विधानसभाओं का डेटा आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करेंगे। इनमें एप्लीकेशंस में ये कहा गया है कि ये 11,018 लोग या तो शिफ्ट हो गए हैं या मर गए हैं। हमारे लिए इतने कम समय में सारी जितने 11,000 एप्लीकेशंस हैं उनकी तहकीकात करना संभव नहीं था, तो हमने इसमें से रैंडमली 500 लोग छांटे और 500 लोगों की जब हमने जांच की, इसमें से एक्चुअली इनमें कई झुग्गी बस्तियों के हैं, कच्ची कॉलोनियों के रहते हैं, उन एड्रेसेस मिलने बड़े मुश्किल हो जाते हैं, तो कई एड्रेसेस नहीं मिले, लेकिन जो एड्रेसेस मिले उनमें 500 में से 372 लोग ऐसे मिले जो कि वहीं रह रहे हैं। 372 लोग ऐसे मिले, ये उन 372 लोगों की लिस्ट है जिनको हमने लोकेट किया, जिनके नाम बीजेपी की लिस्ट में है कि इनके नाम काट दिए जाएं। दरअसल ये शिफ्ट नहीं किए हैं, ये लिस्ट हम अभी आपको दे देंगे, ये 372 लोगों की लिस्ट। इसका मतलब 500 में से 372, उसके अलावा कई ऐसे भी थे जिनके एड्रेस नहीं मिले। 75% लिस्ट जो है इसका मतलब इनकी गड़बड़ है। हमने तो एक सैंपल साइज लिया था 500 का, उसमें से हमने जब देखा तो 372 सही मिले। तो इसका मतलब जो 11,000 की लिस्ट दी गई है उसमें 75% से ज्यादा ही, क्योंकि एड्रेस नहीं मिले, कईयों के एड्रेस उनके मिल जाते तो हो सकता है बाकी भी मिल जाते। इसका मतलब 75% से ज्यादा लोग सही है वहीं रह रहे हैं जिनको गलत कटवाने के लिए उन्होंने डाला है।